This is a second video in a short series devoted to accomplishing very surprising things using just two shuffles. Okay, so the two shuffles I thought we would use today are the mange shuffle and the down under shuffle. Now, the fun comes in because you decide which of these we perform and in what order and in what quantity. Moreover, the mange shuffle actually comes in two varieties, an over under and an under over. Okay, so as you can see, I have 8 cards here, a good selection of card values, suits, and colors. Okay, so which of those two shuffles would you like me to perform first? Down, under? Okay, so this is where you go down, next one goes under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, down. The last one goes on top, okay? Would you like to do another one of those right now, or would you like to see a mange shuffle? A mange. Which kind would you like? Over, under, or under, over? Your choice. Over, under. Okay, so this is an over, under. You go over, then under, over, under, over, under, over. Okay. Would you like another mange? You would. Of the same kind? Over, under? Okay. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over. What next? Another down, under. Okay, that's fine. Down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one goes on top. Would you like another mange? An under over this time. Okay, that's fine. So this is where you go under first, then over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay, do you feel like the cards are well mixed and beyond the knowledge of anyone? You do. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do something that seems to help achieve remarkable outcomes in card magic. We're going to use the name of a famous musical group called ABBA. And we're also going to use what's called the inside-out version of their name, which is B-A-A-B. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like A's here, B's here. So I'll spell ABBA, A-B-B-A, and now I'll spell the inside-out version. So B-A-A-B, okay? So how would we know if something unusual happened, okay, in spelling their name? Well, let's just take a look at the cards in each pile. Oh, that's nice. Those are all black. I don't know. Did we have half and half? Oh, we did indeed. Half of them were red and half were black, and we separated them perfectly after randomly mixing the cards according to your input. Okay. Now, you can actually do everything that I just did. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to put the cards in kind of this special arrangement. It's called a Bessey sequence of order 8. I'll have a link in the description below to a playlist that talks about Bessey sequences and how I came up with them and examples of them and so forth. But if you can just remember the famous musical group ABBA and then what's called the inversion of their name, you can do this trick, okay? So if we have red cards be A's and black cards be B's, you would just spell ABBA. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to spell this right here. So A, I guess we can do it down here. A, B, B, A, so that's ABBA. And then B, A, B. Okay, so this is the kind of arrangement I had. And so now if you go through and do any number of down unders or mange shuffles, you'll be able to separate the packet after all of that mixing decided by the spectator by just spelling out ABBA and its inversion one more time. So you can do the mange shuffle, the down under as many times as you like. Let's pretend that's been done. And then you just spell A, B, B, A, B, A, A, B. And you will have achieved exactly what I achieved earlier. You'll separate the reds from the blacks, and you'll look like an absolute card wizard. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the absolute math magic channel.